Hi, this is Rick Filio. I'm out in the backyard today in Pembroke, New Hampshire. Today is June 27th, 2021. This is a 1976 four-horse that I've been having a lot of trouble with as far as overheating. I end up blowing something out of the engine, out of the chamber that looks like it was probably plugging in the passage, so it's probably that's why it was heating, and then the carburetor was totally a mess. So I just got done ultrasonically cleaning that and put a rebuild kit into it, and I'll give you a quick demo.